What's up, y'all? It's your boy Terrence. So look, we've been doing a lot of reiteration to the Land Cruiser lately. I just got done installing these front lights on here, and I actually installed an inverter in the back as well, a little 500 watt inverter, because pretty much that's all I need. So we're gonna go forward. We're gonna go ahead and do this video on how to install the ARB A compressor mount and the dual battery tray for any of those who's interested in that. So here we go. All right, so now that we have the windshield wiper fluid bottle relocated, we're gonna install the dual battery. So it's pretty much the space that we just created. It's gonna go right here. And I went with the SLEE off-road kit. That's what it comes with, all your parts. So the first piece, gonna put this little tray in, this little bolt hole right here. Secure that down. And the second piece, gonna go like this. It's gonna go something like that. It's gonna be a hole right here that's gonna line up. It's gonna be a hole right here that's gonna line up, and then you got the hole right here that lines up. So now that you got that installed, I'm gonna put on the air compressor bracket. It actually goes something like this. So it's gonna sit like that. Gonna be two bolts here, one here, one here, one here, and then it's gonna be one more up in here. So you're gonna use 4 M8s and then 2 nuts. These 2 are gonna take nuts down here, and then these 2 just screw straight into the body. All right, so now I have the ARB air compressor bracket on. Got everything tight and snugged up. I actually add a little bit of Loctite to my bolts just for, that's just something that I do, just so I don't ever have to worry about it coming loose. So now we're gonna move on to the next step. All right, so I torqued down the bus, got the air compressor manifold right there. Now, this is one step. If you are not using the ARB air compressor, this amount right here, and then you see these 2 holes and these 2 holes right here, there is a plate that mounts, that's gonna mount those 2 together. Then you just install your fluid reservoir right on there. But since I'm installing a ARB air compressor, this is gonna mount a little bit differently. So here we are with the ARB air compressor. I've had it for a while now, but decided to go knock everything out today. These don't go in here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this together, and we're gonna get to it on the install on this. All right, so right now when the compressor is inside the truck, it's gonna be in kind of a tight spot. It's gonna be in a tight spot right here, and the way that the manifold is sticking out is gonna be like pretty much pointing directly into my air box. So right now I'm gonna take the manifold apart to turn that manifold so that it can come this way. So it's gonna be like 4 10mm bolts right up in this area right here. And then once you take those out, you can get access to the manifold. There's a 10mm bolt right here. So now once you loosen that bolt, you can clock the manifold so that you can have a little bit more angle to play with once it's inside my air box to be like right here. So if I have it sticking this way, I can get a little bit better access to it. All right, so now I got the compressor installed. I'm not gonna wire anything up today because I haven't bought the second battery yet. So Once I get the second battery, I'll wire all this up to the battery. Then I want to install an inverter and everything like that as well. The radiator fluid overflow relocate right there. Yeah, everything looks good. As you can see, what I was talking about earlier with clocking that manifold, now I can get to it. At first it would have been pointing directly into that. So yeah, all in a day's work. Initial video, the install video, and here's the end product. Have my dual battery set up in there now. Have the air compressors all tucked in there good and everything. Everything's looking superb. I'm loving it. Got everything wired up. Have my isolator in there. Everything's looking good. I even went ahead and put the inverter in there as well. There's my inverter. A little 500 watt inverter. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, that's all I need. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. And if you have any video or any comments, please comment down below. Any questions, I will answer back immediately. And just let me know how everything's been going with you guys install. Thank you.